Hey, hi everyone, welcome to our DSA series day 9. So, today's we are solving a simple but very important searching problem, linear search. So, we given an array and the target element, find the index where the target is present. For example, in this array, the target value is 9. As you can see, 9 is present at index 4. So, the output for this example, target found at index 9. To solving this problem statement, to solving this problem, we see the best and the optimal solution. So here's the solution for this problem statement. First we run the for loop. For loop start from the I is equals to 0 and the size of the array, end of the array. In this check every element one by one of the array. Next, we compare the current element with the target value. If the current element is matched with the target value, immediately we return the index of that element. If the loop is finished and still we didn't find the target, we return the -1. This means the target is not present in this array. To solving this is the best and the optimized solution. So let's understand the time complexity and the space complexity. The best case target is at the first place. If we're searching, the target is present. If for example, is 9 is present at the index 0. So this is the best case. For this, the time complexity is big of n, and the average case is the big of n, and the worst case big of n. If the target is present at the end and not present, for that cases average and worst, the time complexity is big of n, and the space complexity of this problem statement is big of 1. So this is all about day 9.